Normal everyday people are making thousands of dollars per month posting these types of videos, and none of them are dancing on camera. This is 100% AI. And they're making these videos with one sentence, one prompt, one click of a button. Even normal people with no technical skills whatsoever can post videos like this on TikTok and YouTube and get hundreds of thousands and millions of views and make a full-time living. It's possible now in 2026. You don't need a college education. You don't need a bachelor's degree. None of that. We've been lied to our entire lives. You need to go to college. You need to take out hundreds of thousands of dollars of student debt. You need to just try so hard and work for a corporation and try to climb that, this and that. It doesn't have to be like that in 2026. There are teenagers in their dorm room who are building complete businesses from TikTok and YouTube. It's so possible now in 2026. I'm so passionate about this because you don't need a normal job anymore. Yes, if you have a normal job, it's okay. It's all right. But you should know that people are creating entire businesses, making hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars per year just from TikTok and YouTube content. But here's the crazy part. These videos were made from one single photo. There's an AI tool called Pollo Mimic that takes any video and any photo and puts them together and makes your very own dance video, motion video, whatever you want to create with this. And the results look so real. Like some of these videos you look at and you can't tell that they're made with AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool and how to start making money from it today. But real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter that's designed for normal, everyday people to start profiting from the world of AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join right now completely for free. Okay, here's why this tool is so powerful. Now, most people, when they see these AI dancing videos blowing up on TikTok or Instagram, they think it's complicated. I mean, obviously, they think they have to dance on camera. They don't. They think you need video editing, motion capture, green screens, all this technical stuff. You don't. Pollo Mimic is 3 steps. That's it. Photo in, choose a motion, and video out. A child can do this. Let me show you what I mean. So we're going to log into Pollo AI. You'll see the Mimic banner right here. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then you'll see several different models that you can choose from. There's the biggest models in the world. There's Kling, there's Wan, there's ByteDance, there's Runway. But for this one, we're going to choose Kling because Kling currently, you can't beat it. There's no other video model in the world that can beat Kling 3.0. Cool. Step number 1 is uploading a photo. Now, I'm going to grab a photo from one of my AI influencers. Her name is Mecca Haley, and she's a gamer influencer. So let's go ahead and grab one of these. Okay, we're going to use this one. She's standing in an abandoned warehouse with the sun shining through the window. I like this one. It's clean, it's modern, it's sleek. Perfect. Let's set it on 9:16 because I'm going to upload this to TikTok. We're going to click OK. Okay, step 2, we're going to need a reference video. So we can record our own template or we can upload a template. So it's basically grabbing any video from TikTok or YouTube that's already gone viral. Okay, here is the original video. This is kind of a wild video. It has wild motions and wild moves. I want to test this out to see how great it is. This video on TikTok got, I think, maybe 100,000 views. So we're going to grab this video and we're going to use it. And I want my AI influencer to do the same dance as she's doing. So we have Haley. We have this girl who's doing the TikTok dance that went viral. We're going to leave the prompt box empty. This is optional. Mode, standard or pro. We're going to leave it on pro. Public visibility off. Copyright protection off. And let's click create. All right, let's watch this together. Oh my God. How realistic is that? Oh my God. That looks completely real. The face stays clean. The body moves naturally. There's no weird face warping. Nothing like that, guys. This is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube short ready. Amazing. Let's get a little bit wild here. 9:16. Let's do a picture of me. I'm choosing this video. Let's click pro. I definitely do not want it public. Copyright protection. Let's keep it off. And let's click create. Okay, I promise you that I didn't dance like this. Oh my God, it's like I had a couple of cocktails at 3 p.m. and I'm dancing like Justin Timberlake. Wait a minute, this one is actually really cool. Check this out. I promise you, I have no ability to dance like that. I'm pretty good at singing and playing the guitar, but when it comes to dancing, I have two left feet. Guys, here's what makes this so powerful for scaling. You can reuse the same motion on different photos or use different motions on the same character. So once you find a winning dance or a trending movement, you can plug in as many different faces or characters as you want and pump out content all day long. No filming, no reshooting, no editing, just photos and motions. And if you're early to a TikTok trend, guys, you can get hundreds of thousands and millions of views. And this is how businesses are started in 2026. I used to think TikTok was only 16-year-old girls dancing. I had no idea that multi-million-dollar corporations want a piece of TikTok because TikTok is the future. I can't believe I'm saying that. I have an old school mentality. I can't believe I'm saying TikTok is the future, but it is, guys. It is. It's the future. So is YouTube Shorts and Instagram and Facebook, and all the attention is on social media. That's where all the attention is. You're not going to see people staring at billboards. You're not going to see people calling a phone number from a bus stop advertisement. It just doesn't happen anymore. All the attention is on social media. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, X, everywhere. Everywhere on the internet, this is where the attention is. Now, I just want to reiterate, guys. It's not the smart people who make money with AI. It's the ones who are early. Bitcoin, whether you thought it was a scam or the future, it doesn't matter. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at around 70,000 per coin. If you were early and bought it at $5, guess what? Guess where you are today? You're sitting on a multi-million-dollar yacht in the middle of, next to the Fiji Islands. You'd be a millionaire many times over, possibly a billionaire. Same thing with Tesla stock and Facebook stock. All of these guys, if you're early, you make money. And right now, you're early to this, but not for long because the window is going to close soon. Let me show you how to make money with this because this is the most important part of the video. And I know a lot of you guys are here for the money-making aspect of it. So I need you to pay attention to this because the opportunity of a lifetime is staring all of us in our faces. Right now, the videos going the most viral on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels are AI-generated videos, and they're only going to get stronger. People cannot stop watching them, and a lot of people don't even know that they're AI. The AI is getting so real that people watch these videos and they think that it's a real person. They get millions of views. Check out this channel, Emma.Tokyo, 18.5 million, 6.7 million, 8.4 million, 3.4 million. Look at this link right here. This link is doing all of the heavy lifting. This is the business. Let's check it out. This influencer is obviously making a lot of money. Look at all the brands she's promoting. And these are not small brands, guys. These are giant brands and big logos. Look at this. Magnum Chocolate. Tommy Hilfiger jeans. So for Tommy jeans, and I'm saying it's a she, maybe it's a guy, who knows? This person who has this AI influencer for Tommy jeans, it's probably, for this video alone, getting paid around $40,000. Not only YouTube, but Instagram and TikTok and Facebook and LinkedIn. This person is probably a millionaire many times over, and the money is going to keep coming because their AI influencer does not age. They don't have an attitude. They don't show up sick. They don't show up drunk. They don't show up with attitude. Nothing like that. I said attitude twice. I'm so excited I can't speak. Nothing like that. This business model is so scalable. Look at this. Sponsor after sponsor after sponsor. I wouldn't doubt if this person has millions of dollars in the bank. So here's how normal people can make money from this. You create an AI character. You own your AI influencer, guys. You own it. You can even copyright it. You generate a photo using Pouyo. Give her or him a name. Give her a backstory, a personality. Then you take that one photo and bring it into Pollo Mimic and start animating her with trending dances, gestures, reactions. So whatever's going viral right now, whatever's viral on TikTok and Instagram, you now have a content machine. Look at these videos, 600,000 views, 1.3 million, 700,000, 500,000. This is where all the attention is, 2 million, 500,000. It's absolutely crazy what's going on now in 2026 with AI influencers. And think about how fast you can move compared to traditional creators. A real content creator has to set up the camera, do their hair, find the right lighting, film multiple takes, edit the footage. That's the old business model. That takes hours. But you, with Pollo Mimic, you upload a photo, you pick a motion and click generate, done in minutes. You can post 3, 4, 5, 20 times a day, while traditional creators are still editing their first video. Now, in my opinion, somebody who works with AI tools every single day for the past few years, that right there is an unfair advantage. But here's where it gets really exciting. Have you checked out Aitana Lopez, by the way? Let's go to her profile. Aitana, she has almost 400,000 followers and she makes around $20,000 to $30,000 per month. And again, I'm saying it's a she, maybe it's a he, who knows? This person is raking in a lot of money. So AI influencers like Aitana Lopez, who again, by the way, it's not real. She looks 100% real, but she's not, making thousands per month. And nobody knows if the person behind her is a man, a woman, a dog, a cat, who knows? But it doesn't matter. The person behind Aitana Lopez is making thousands of dollars, a full-time living, passive income. They're laying on a beach somewhere in the Fijis. I get so excited talking about this, guys. You don't have to work a 9-to-5 job anymore. You don't. The options are here. I mean, obviously, if you work a 9-to-5 job, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you're thinking about escaping, if you're a teenager and you don't want to work a normal job, you don't want to be a cog in the machine, you don't want to be a slave to corporate greed or whatever the case may be, you don't want to be a part of a giant corporation. If you're a retiree who's not getting paid enough money from the government, your social security is not cutting it, this business model is for everybody, guys. It's for everybody. Anybody can create an AI influencer. Anybody can go viral. Anybody can sell to brands and get sponsorships and brand deals and merchandise. And it's not hard at all. You just need to be consistent. Consistency, and more consistency. And look, if you're skeptical about making money from content, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, I completely understand. I never thought that I would go from homeless, living 30 feet from YouTube Studios' main headquarters in San Bruno, under the bridge, to living anywhere I want in the world, never having to worry about money again. Now, I'm not saying that I'm a billionaire. I'm not. But I have one thing that the majority of the world doesn't have, and that's freedom. The freedom to wake up when I want. The freedom to do what I want. The freedom to take vacations anywhere I want. And I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying that because of somebody like me who was homeless, living next to YouTube studios, ironically. Yeah. If somebody like me can do this, if somebody like me can make money from content, from AI tools, then you can do it as well. I want you to take inspiration from me. Just do it, guys. Just do it. Just learn about AI tools every day. Start posting content. Sign up to Pouyo. Start posting trending videos. Start getting on board. Start collecting checks from sponsors. It'll happen, but you just have to start. The people who start right now, who are consistent, who post every single day, trending videos, videos about ASMR, videos about dancing, videos about cars, videos about dentistry, whatever. It doesn't matter. The more consistent you are, the better chance you have of making money on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, X, the whole nine. The future is content. The future is AI influencers. I'm going to say this in all of my videos, screaming it at the top of my lungs for years. AI influencers are taking over. And right now, Pollo AI makes it super easy to make these types of videos. The barrier to entry is virtually gone. Click on the link in the description right now, join. And also, guys, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed to help normal people like you start profiting from AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys, I hope you liked the video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.